oven barbecue chicken wings. So all we need is just 3 ingredients: 2 pounds of chicken wings, 2 10-gram packages of chicken seasoning, and your favorite homemade or store-bought barbecue sauce. What I have here, I have 2 pounds of chicken wings, and I went ahead and I've cut each of the chicken wings into 2 pieces. You can also remove the tip of the wing if you'd like, but I leave mine on. I also season it with 2 10 grams package of chicken seasoning. Cover it and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. Place the wings onto a greased baking tray and place into a preheated 350-degree oven and bake for 20 minutes. When you remove the wings from the oven, drain off any dripping water from the tray. Place the wings with your favorite barbecue sauce. Return back to the oven and bake for 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and turn the wings on the other side. Baste the wings again with more of the barbecue sauce and return back to the oven for another 15 minutes. Remove the wings from the oven for the final basting and baste with the remaining barbecue sauce.
My mother's using the barbecue to spread on the chicken so they can look beautiful as they will. Subscribe, comment, and share.
Place the wings in the oven under boiler for 10 minutes. Remove and serve sprinkled with some scallion. Thank you so much for watching.